Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC actually meets Battlefield 6 requirements because mismatches cause DirectX failures. Next, update Windows and install the newest GPU driver. Drivers provide DirectX support and stability. Once done, run your launcher as administrator and verify game files to replace missing DirectX-related files. Also disable overlays and recording software. They inject DLLs and can break DirectX initialization. These initial actions often resolve initialization errors quickly, so make sure each step completes before moving on. You now perform deeper repairs because corrupted drivers or runtimes are common culprits. Use a display driver uninstaller in safe mode to fully remove old GPU drivers, then install the latest clean driver. This prevents leftover DLL conflicts. After that, reinstall the DirectX runtime and repair all Visual C++ redistributables since Bf6 depends on them. Make sure the game's launch option forces the intended DirectX version and set full screen or borderless as required. You finish by resetting both in-game graphics and GPU control panel settings to defaults, then reboot and test. If errors persist, uninstall and reinstall Battlefield 6 to restore any damaged game DLLs and generate a DXDiag report plus Bf6 logs for troubleshooting. Submit those to support if needed. One key tip: try another DirectX game or run the game at low settings. If the other title fails too, you're likely facing a GPU or Windows-level DirectX problem rather than a single game issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.